This quick tutorial is about preparing your Canva design for printing. Whether you're working on flyers, posters, invitations, or any other print material, it's crucial to save your design in the correct format to ensure the best quality print. Once you're satisfied with your design, go to the top right-hand corner of your Canva editor to find the Share button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Now you'll be presented with different file format options. For printing, especially when aiming for professional quality prints, you'll want to select PDF Print. This option ensures your design is saved in a high-resolution format, ideal for printing. If you're planning to send your designs to a professional printer, there's an additional step to consider. Look for the options to select Crop, Marks, and Bleed. Choosing this will add crop marks, and these marks guide the printer on where to cut, making sure your design extends all the way to the edges without any unwanted white borders. Note that you have the option to select pages. Right now I have a 2-page file, so if I wanted all pages, I would want to make sure I check that off. If I only wanted the current page, I would remove the second page. And once you're finished selecting the pages, click on Done. After selecting PDF Print, simply hit the Download button. Canva will then prepare your file, and the file will be automatically downloaded to your device. Make sure to grab the Canva Basics Guide, the link is in the video description box below, and subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest tutorials. And continue on watching the next video in this Canva template editing series.